This is Don Nelson, editor of the Additive Report and host of the Additive Manufacturing Minute. I am here at RAPID TCT 2021. I'm at the AMT booth. I'm talking to Louis Folgar. And one of the things that attracted me to this particular booth was the connectors. And so we did a little follow-up and we found out that this booth, unlike many booths here, can be reused. And Louis, if you could, tell us the story.
Yes, well, basically what we are displaying here is our ability to do a sustainable booth for our trade shows. The challenge is that many, if not all, the companies use, at the end of shows, they go to waste. So we were able to use 3D printing using these nodes and produce a 3D printed booth that could be reused at every show. We have been able to reuse it for 3 times now. We introduced it at Formex 2018, and now, this is our booth. We're going to expect to have a life expectancy for at least 5 years, if not more. So it's been great. We were able to showcase the capability of 3D printing and address the concerns of durability and the cost. Thousands of components had to be fabricated for this. It would have been really expensive without the proper post-processing technologies. So we were able to not only utilize 3D printing, but also tell the story of how our technologies reduce the cost of production of the components of the booth. So it worked out.